Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking your palette and tools so you can begin mixing immediately. Wet small wells with 0.5 teaspoon of water and place a dab of each Himi tube nearby. Load a synthetic round brush and test a tiny mix on scrap paper. This tells you opacity and flow. Once done, thin in small increments. Gouache needs a creamy, not watery, consistency. Make sure to label mixes if you plan to reproduce colors. This saves time later. You now block in major shapes and values so the painting reads from afar. Lay down diluted base layers to map light and shadow, then wait about 5 to 10 minutes for tackiness before adding midtones. This prevents scumming. Once tacky, work from larger brushes into smaller ones to refine edges and transitions. If a layer feels too flat, add a semi-opaque layer or lift pigment with a damp brush to carve highlights. Make sure to step back and you finish by applying thicker, opaque highlights and crisp edges where needed to bring focus. Work small. Add final details with a size 02 brush and let the paint dry fully for 30 to 60 minutes before handling. If you plan to display, consider a light spray fixative. Make sure it's compatible with gouache. If things go wrong, like scumming or clumping, re-wet the problem area gently, blot, or scrape with a clean knife, and reapply a smooth mix to restore a clean surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.